Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. I am absolutely in love with this amazing hummingbird feeder. Just listen to the beautiful and relaxing sound. So my favorite feature of this hummingbird feeder has to be the solar-powered water pump. I love the sound of the trickling when I'm sitting on my back porch listening to the birds in the trees. I also love the beautiful bright colors of the hummingbird feeders and also the way the light hits the gem-colored chains. I love the way everything is well made and sturdy. I accidentally left this out during a thunderstorm last week and I thought it would be broken, and when I went out to check on it, it was just fine. Even the glass balls did not have a scratch on them. This kit was very easy to put together and it came with everything that you need, even a small funnel and cleaning brush to fill and maintain your hummingbird feeder. It even came with an extra bowl in case the one that you have it gets cracked. It is very easy to clean and the water pump fits snugly at the bottom of the bowl with a couple of small suction cups. I have found that it works much better when the solar panel is in full sunlight. If you're not interested in using the fountain, then you can also use the top for a bird bath or a bird seed holder. So if you're looking for a beautiful hummingbird feeder that will not only attract hummingbirds, but also the attention of your neighbors, then I think you're going to love this hummingbird feeder. And that's my point of view.